Well, you all seem to enjoy when we pulled the curtains back and let you in on our new exploration into having two home office spaces. And so we decided to keep you engaged as we continue. We got some more stuff.
Part
This is
two.
part two, man. So we're
Yes.
going to talk about some of the new additions
That's right.
to our spaces coming up.
Stay tuned.
Hey, I'm Tyler.
Hey, I'm Ty, and we're from hisandhermoney.com. All right, you guys, so we're super excited to continue our home office series for our company, His and Her Money. If you didn't have a chance to watch our office design spaces where we actually separated our rooms, you want to make sure that you click the link in the description box below or the link here on the screen and check out our home office reveal. So we're going to continue to show you guys some amazing goodies that we received and how we're using them currently in our office. What's pretty fun about this particular video, I have him here with me, and typically he's not here with me anytime I'm talking about planner stuff. So I thought that this would be an absolutely fun thing to do to show how men too can also use different planner supplies and different goodies as well too for their workspaces. So we want to thank Erin Condren for gifting us with these beautiful home office supplies. If you guys don't know, I've shared multiple videos here on the channel of Erin Condren. I have been purchasing Erin Condren, oh my gosh, at least for the past 5 or so years.
Yeah, you've been talking about Erin Condren for
forever.
a while. Tell me, why is Erin Condren so dope?
Well,
why do you like this stuff so much?
Well, I think for me, I am like a girly girl and I love like planner stuff. I love, what you guys see some of the stuff that I have. I just love color and I love to maximize order within my daily life. And I kind of feel like that particular company, they have everything, whether or not you really like to be very, very detailed or not as detailed.
Okay.
There's something in there for everybody, including men. So, hey, so we'll be able to show you guys that. So let's get started. So I'm super excited about this one, you guys. This is a beautiful notebook here that was actually designed by a Black artist. I absolutely love this. Erin Condren has been partnering with other African-American artists where they not only give back to them, to the particular artists that designed like the special covers and things like that, but they also give to a charity of their choice. And so this one is called In It Together Line Notebook. I absolutely love notebooks. I have notebooks for everything. I have notebooks for the business, notebooks for my personal life, notebooks for meetings. Like, I love notebooks. So this one is absolutely beautiful, and I was able to get my name on it, you guys. Ty McNeely there. Super excited about this one here.
Pretty clean.
Yes. And my next item here that I received from Erin Condren is thin ballpoint pens. Now, you guys, I want to first tell you that if you all want to check out some of these products and everything that we mentioned here, we'll make sure that we have it listed in the description box. But you can also get $10 by using our special referral code down in the description box below. You can get $10 on anything. If you are a first-time Erin Condren buyer or user, all you have to do is just put your email in and they will email you the $10 to be able to use on their website. So these are their thin ballpoint pens. Absolutely love pens. This comes in a rose gold and a pink.
Rose gold. All
Yes.
right.
You want to show them something of yours?
Yeah, so I got a fancy stapler.
Because he's always using my
I'm
stapler.
always using her stapler.
Always. I
So-
think I should actually give you the stapler that you're always taking from me because
But this is mine.
but the stapler that I currently have is like a U.S. Army stapler and it's black and I probably got it from you. So I think you need to take that
definitely
back.
got it from me.
And I think I need to take this.
Y'all see this happening?
Like in real life.
She took my gold
Oh my
stapler.
gosh. No, you can have it.
I can have my gold
You can
stapler.
have it. You can have it. That's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, I think it's pretty dope. When I saw it on the website, I was like, yeah, let me get that. So I
Yeah.
can stop bothering my wife every
Yes.
time I need to staple
And
something.
show them the other item that you got so you can stop bothering your wives and using your wife's stuff.
And I got some gold scissors.
Isn't that
Some
beautiful, guys? There's some beautiful accessories. Gold scissors. Absolutely love that.
Because I be taking hers.
And you can
all the
see
time.
how it's unisex. It doesn't matter if it's in a male office space or in a woman's office space. You can definitely utilize it. All right, so again, I love all things color. And I actually
that?
have their fine tip markers, you all. This is in the pastels color,
gonna
the
have a ball with
brights,
that.
and the warm neutrals. You can use these in your notebook as well as your planner. Absolutely love these. And I'm excited to dig in. Yeah. And then this is their mid-century circle like pencil holder. So I actually got one of these and I'm gonna place all of my markers in. So super excited about that. And
What's that?
look, guys, I absolutely love this design. If you all checked out the first video for the office series, you all see that my office is very serene. I want to have a very intentional office, and I felt like this will match it perfectly. It has gold detail as well. This is their mid-century circle file folders as well, expanding file folders that I'm going to keep on my shelf. And it also matches my pencil coat.
I have a nesting organizer.
I love their
tray
nesting
set.
organizers.
The only reason I got this because I saw my wife's.
So let's open it.
And hers was like different colors.
Yes. Yes.
So it didn't fit my.
It did because I got the blue one.
Well, some of the peach and the.
Well, that's the pink. That's the pink. So they have multiple colors, but I also got a blue set, and you actually use a blue set in your space. But I thought that's pretty cool.
This is pretty sick.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty sick.
Love
so
it.
3 different thingamajigs.
He's a male, guys. That's how he's explaining it.
And so you sit it
What
on
can
your
you use
desk,
them for?
Right? You just a cup holder, right? On your
Anything.
desk. So you got a fly cup holder.
Yep.
Or maybe your diffuser. You want to sit that on there. You know what I mean? So
yeah.
you can
Anything.
Sit, you know,
your glasses, your blue light glasses,
your
pens.
Yep.
Yep.
What do you call the things? Alexas or whatever.
Yeah.
Just to bring a little fly aspect to it, so it's just not just.
I love
sitting
those.
out, you know what I mean? So
I love their nesting.
This is pretty sick. I didn't know nothing about this until I saw my wife.
Those are nice.
I was like, yep, I need some of those.
And
too.
I love actually the colors.
It vibes.
Really nice.
Vibes, man.
I have them
like
all
the
over the house. We also have them on our nightstand, in our bedrooms. Like you all can use them, and I love how beautiful they look. They're detailed in gold. They really are.
They really fly.
Yeah,
they
and
got the gold outside.
they don't turn or anything.
And the back,
yeah,
you know what I mean?
that's right. And the little protectors to also.
It's really swaggy, y'all.
You'll love it.
It's
You'll
really
love it.
Swaggy.
You'll love it. And I also got one of these. This is the desktop organizer. You got one as well too, and mine actually matches the mid-century circle expanding file holder. So we thought this would be a nice addition. Also to our office spaces, you have the black, which is really nice. That's really nice. And I have the cream with the gold circles.
So it's a magazine file, a pen holder, a magazine tray,
and a letter sorter. But you could use them for anything.
Organized.
You could put books in them.
Stop having stuff all over your desk.
There you go. There you go.
Stuff. Let Erin Condren help you get organized. Get all that stuff off your desk.
Yeah.
Just spread out everywhere. Get organized. Get organized.
Yes. And I'm super excited about this one, you all, because what is a video without talking about money in some way, shape, or form? This is the Erin Condren budget book. You all, I love the online budget like software and things like that, but there's something about the paper planning when it comes to budgeting. I absolutely love this. It really does. And if you're a person that loves to see colors, you love to see things written down as well too, like I am, you'll definitely love this. I love it because there's separate tabs, you guys. There's trackers in here, all for your budget. This is your budget book. You can put in future purchases, future bills. This is amazing. So make sure you check it out. I think that you guys are gonna like it.
I got me a notebook too. And I got it in this real fly blue color because blue is my favorite color. Mm-hmm. And so I'm gonna use it to take
with the
my
gold
notes,
spiral,
put down some ideas, write some stuff out so I can do some brain dumps and stay organized. Maybe even do a little bit of journaling too, man. It's really, it's fly,
it feels really nice.
There's some good
it almost looks like suede.
Good quality materials, and of course we got the swaggy gold on the outside once again.
Anything with swag, he's all for it.
It matches the watch. See? It matches the watch.
He's all for it. Okay, and show him your last thing.
Yeah, man, I got me a nice fancy pen.
So he can stop using my pens.
All about gel pens.
Yeah, we do love gel pens around here.
What happens is I get some, and then somehow they end up in my wife's office.
Not necessarily true.
And then she'd be like, "Why are you using my pen?"
Not necessarily true.
Well, actually, technically, the pen came from me.
How?
So I'm not sure how it became yours.
That's really nice. I'm probably gonna pick me up one of those. I actually like that.
Just don't pick up mine.
Okay.
Boom.
That's
I got
nice.
Me a nice fancy
gel
gold
pen.
Gel pen.
And you also have some refills here.
Yeah.
You can purchase the refill packs as well if you want to continue to use it. So it's definitely reusable. You don't have to throw it away after all the ink has been written with.
My gel pen is fancier than yours. Get you one.
Well, guys, we hope that you all enjoyed this really short mini haul and how we're using Erin Condren in our home offices and how you can use them as well too in your spaces. Again, if you want to get a $10 credit towards anything over at Erin Condren, anything, if you want to buy a pen, whatever, it does not matter. If you want to buy the budget book, I would highly recommend that you definitely look into that as well too. All you have to do is just go to hisandhermoney.com/EC. That's for Erin Condren, as well as the links will be in the description box below.
We hope you guys are being inspired to like rework your space because environment matters.
It
You're
matters.
on your destiny journey. When you're trying to go to another level, man, you need to make sure that your space leaves room for your creativity, your discipline to float. So we hope that we provided some encouragement by showing you guys our journey to creating these spaces
That's
for
right.
ourselves.
If you all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment in the comment section below. Let us know which product would you love to get your hands on. We want to know. Leave us a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already to stay up to date with any and all new videos.
Well, that's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Until next time, peace.
Bye, y'all.